Hi, this is Happy Bird from Happy Bird's Glitter Nest.blogspot.com, and I heard it said that every time you hear a bell ring, an angel gets its wings. These are some adorable little lightweight angels you can make for ornaments or purse charms or dangle charms for journals, anything you would like. They're made out of lightweight paddle wheel beads. And I have an excellent source for you that's very inexpensive, as well as for the little wings. So I think these turned out really cute. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I put these together. Okay, so there may be a little bit of bag rattling, so if you want to put your closed captions on now, you might want to. Okay, so the first thing I had to do is decide which colors that I wanted to make this angel. So I chose 2 of the 18mm beads and 2 of the 12mm beads. And I really love working with these colors because I can mix and match and experiment. And they do have crystal clear ones in these bags as well. So I chose 1 each of the 18mm in crystal and pink, and then 1 each of the 12mm in crystal and pink. Okay, and you're going to need a head pen, an eye pen, about 2 inches long roughly. Now I didn't have any eye pens, so I just took a head pen right here, and I just cut off the top right there, and I bent it and turned it into a head pin with my round nose pliers. Okay, so you can do that if you don't have any eye pens. You can turn them into head pins. Or yes, I said that right. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this little 4mm daisy spacer, and then I'm going to add a 12mm bead and an 18mm sunburst bead and a 18mm pink sunburst bead, and lastly a 12mm crystal sunburst bead. Okay, like that. Alright, then I'm going to add the little wings. These are 22mm wide. Or the length is 22mm, I should say. The width this way doesn't matter. You just want 22mm across, okay? And once again, I do have a wonderful source for the wings. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, then I'll give you all that information. Okay, now I'm putting on a 6mm pearl and a crystal, or I should say a rhinestone rondelle spacer bead, and this is in AB, the color is, and it's a 6mm. And you can usually find strands of these at any craft store with the jewelry section. Then I'm adding a 4mm daisy spacer on that. Okay, so we have some wire left here, and I'm going to cut just a little bit off to make it about, maybe, let me measure. Whoops. Yeah, it's I would say it's about roughly in between a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so while I did that, that fell off. Okay, so I'm going to hold this like that. Finger, I'm going to bend this at about a 90-degree angle, like that. And then I'm just going to roll it towards me. I really like the gauge of these head pins from Hobby Lobby. They're very nice. And of course, most of the time when you roll them, they're going to be a little bent, so you're going to have to go in with your flat nose pliers and just give it a little squeeze and straighten it up, okay? Now you might have to go back in and do a little bit of a back bend, and that's okay. Alright, so that looks pretty good. So now I have a 7mm and a 6mm jump ring, and I like the Hobby Lobby jump rings. They're very nice. So is Michael's, actually. But if you don't have a 7mm, you can use two 6mm. And if you don't have a 6mm, you can use two 7mm. Really doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm going to take a 6mm jump ring and place the little bell on here. And I found these bells at Hobby Lobby, and they were reduced to 99 cents. They were hanging in the section where there were sequins hanging up. And they were regular $3.99, but I should have bought more than just these bags because I really love these bells. They're more like bell charms. And I'm just going to slip that on the bottom and then close this up. Okay. And then lastly, I'm just going to take this 7mm jump ring and slide it on the top. And there we have our sweet little miniature angel ornament. And I'm going to slip her right on here. I'll probably end up making a lot more of these when I finish this tutorial. I think they're so much fun to make. And they would make adorable little purse charms, journal charms, oh my goodness, even little necklaces, I think, for Christmas. Wouldn't that be cute? You can put these as little little tie decorations. You know, you can put a ribbon through there and tie it on a gift bag. I'd love to hear your ideas too. And you can dangle anything you want from these. I just use bells, but you can dangle little rhinestone charms, birthstones, anything. That would even be a cute thing to do. Make little birthstone angels with these little bags of the mixed colors, you know. I'm really enjoying these because I can mix and match and do all kinds of things. Now they do sell these, like I said before, in bags that are just one solid color, but I just think that if you're going to play around with a few of these, then this is really a great way to do it. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because once I sign off here, it'll go directly into where you can find these bead resources and also the little angel wings, okay? And I'll explain everything to you. So stay tuned for that, and in the meanwhile, God bless you all and take care. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm not getting any kind of kickback or money or even free product for sharing this with you. I'm just sharing this because I found a good source for the paddle wheel beads. This seller here, Bead Tin, sells on eBay and Amazon, and they also have their own website, beadtin.com. Okay, now they call these sunburst beads. Most people refer to them as paddle wheel beads, but this seller refers to them as sunburst beads. Okay, these I paid, well, actually I went to eBay and bought these, but they have all kinds of colors. You can buy mixed colors like these, or you can buy just a single bag of a solid color. They have opaque colors, so you might want to check them out. I paid $2.69 per bag. The first bag was $3.50 shipping, and any additional bags after that you order is only 75 cents shipping for each one, okay? And this seller was very smart because they put the name Bead Tin in the title of their listings, and so if you go to eBay and just type in the word Bead Tin, all one word, then you'll see their listings pop up. so that's kind of nice. And I also found a wonderful source on eBay for these beautiful little fairy wings or angel wings, whichever you want to call them. And this is the 22 millimeter length. She also has the smaller ones, like this, little tiny ones, okay? And she also has these in silver, of course, in the small and the large. So I'll go ahead and give you her link on my blog at happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and the name of the seller is Jasmine B. Jasmine B. Okay, and like I said, I will put her link there. I'll also go ahead and add this link. So when you go to my blog, just click on the picture of this project, and when that opens, you'll see all of the links. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'll start by showing you the little fairy wings. They have these in silver as well, and also on her site she has a tiny version of these wings, so you can make the little tiny angels that I make sometimes for charms. Okay, and these come in gold and silver, or I should say gold and silver color. They're not real gold and silver. And the name of the person on eBay is Jasmine B. She sells 24 pieces for $1.69 plus $2.99 shipping, and each additional item is 25 cents to ship, so that's nice. These are 22 millimeter, and once again you can get them in gold or silver color, and she's located in the USA. Now when I ordered my little wings from her, I think they took like 5 or 6 days to arrive, so that was really good timing. And I will put the link to the Jasmine B's store on my blog at happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com. All you have to do is click on the picture of this project on my blog, and when it opens up, you'll see the link right there, and you can just click on it, okay? All right, and for the beads, I ordered them from Bead Tin on eBay. If you type in the word Bead Tin, all of her listings will pop up, because I noticed that she puts the word Bead Tin at the beginning of each one of her listings. So that's kind of a smart idea. Now you can go to beadtin.com. This person is on eBay. This person is also on Amazon. I don't know if the prices are the same, but on eBay I bought the 25 millimeter a while back, 18 millimeter and 12 millimeter beads for $2.69 per bag. The shipping is $3.50 for the first bag, but any additional bags are only 75 cents to ship for each one, okay? And that is a good price. Now I have some clear ones, of course, that I've been using in some of my projects, but I did buy 2 bags in the 18 millimeter and 12 millimeter in the multicolored, just so I could play around with the little angels that I was making. So with that said, this link will also be on my blog at happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and if you have any issues at all trying to find this, please send me an email at happybirdsglitternest@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day. God bless.